Ultimia Skywave X100 Dual. Video content. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Take out the items from the box one by one. Now, let's assemble the soundbar. Step 1. Align the joints of the three parts. Step 2. Twist to connect. Plug the power cord into the soundbar. Plug the power cord into the subwoofer. And connecting to the power supply. The subwoofer has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the subwoofer, you need to repair the soundbar with the subwoofer. Hold the power/standby button on the subwoofer for 5 seconds until the indicator flashes quickly. Then hold the upmix button on the remote for 5 seconds. SUB flashing on the display means pairing mode is activated. Next, connect the surround speakers. Plug the power cord into the surround speaker. Plug in the power supply. The surround speaker has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the surround speakers, you need to repair the soundbar with the surround speaker. If they don't reconnect automatically, follow these steps to repair. Pair both wireless surround speakers together. Press and hold the pair button on both speakers for 5 seconds until the indicator changes from slow to fast flashing. Press and hold the surround volume button on the remote for 5 seconds. Flashing on the display indicates pairing mode. A solid indicator light means pairing is successful. If one speaker pairs but the other keeps flashing rapidly and pairing fails within 5 minutes, repair both speakers simultaneously until both connect successfully. Press the EQ and up-firing buttons together to enter remote pairing mode. The indicator will flash .in Bluetooth mode. Press and hold the source button for 6 seconds until REMO appears on the display. The remote control screen displays paired. At this point, press the remote control. The display on the remote screen will synchronize with the display on the main unit screen. For a better listening experience, please lay out the entire system as shown in the video, then experience the depth and realism of immersive surround sound. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. There are 3 ways to connect. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI eARC. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. For optimal performance, use HDMI ARC/EARC. If your TV offers an ARC/EARC output, insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's ARC/EARC output port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port of the soundbar. And connect the power cord to the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Use the remote control to switch the soundbar mode to eARC by pressing the first button. Once the soundbar's LED will show eARC. For the TV in the video, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings - Sound Output Receiver, HDMI. The TV's remote control can operate both the soundbar and TV together, allowing you to 1. Power on/off. 2. Adjust the volume. Connect to your TV via. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI eARC. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Note, optical IN ports of the TV are not supported. Remove the protective cap from the fiber optic port on the soundbar. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the back of the soundbar and connect the power cord to the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. The soundbar will power on automatically. Using the remote control, switch the soundbar mode to OPT by pressing the first one button twice. For the TV in the video, follow these steps. Settings, sound output optical. Prefer wireless? Here, Bluetooth connection. Connect to your smartphone. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI ARC. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Using the remote control, short press to select Bluetooth channel. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone. Choose the name of Skywave X100 Dual to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding-dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. If your TV has a Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Turn on your TV's Bluetooth. Choose the name of Skywave X100 Dual to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding-dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. You've learned how to connect HDMI, optical and Bluetooth with the soundbar. Still no sound? Don't worry. All it takes is a TV audio format settings. 1. Select Pass-Through for General Audio, Preference. 2. Select Pass-Through for Dolby Atmos/DTS-X, only works with HDMI ARC. 1. TV Auto Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, Sound Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format Auto. 2. TV Pass-Through Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, Sound Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format Pass-Through. 3. TV PCM Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, Sound Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps. How to set up the soundbar and TV? Normally as below. Settings, Sound Digital Audio Output PCM. You already know the basic connections. Another big surprise for the Ultimia Skywave X100 Dual. This soundbar can be controlled via the Ultimia Smart App now. We'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.